Samoham sarva bhutesh. Nave deshasya na priya. Krishna says, God must be equal to everyone. God is one. So He's giving everyone food. The birds, bees, they're getting food. The elephant, he's also getting food. He's supplying food. Krishna, God is supplying. So in that way, He's equal to everyone in ordinary dealing. But He specially deals with the devotee, just like Prahlāda Mahārāja. When he was put into danger, then Lord Nrsimhadev came personally to give him pardon. That is the special duty of God. That is not unnatural. If somebody says God is partial, that He takes special care of His devotee, no, that is not partial. Just like a gentleman in the neighborhood, he loves all children. But when his own child is in danger, he takes special care. That is not unnatural. You cannot blame it. That why you are taking special care of your own child. No, that is natural. Nobody will blame it. Similarly, everyone is God's sons. But His devotee is special. That is God's special attention. Jita bhajanti maha pritya teshu te mai. So, God is giving protection to every living entity. But if you become devotee of the Lord, pure devotee, without any motive, then God will take special care of. That is Krishna Consciousness home. That we are being harassed by Maya, the material energy. And if we take shelter of Krishna, then we will be specially protected. Mameva ja prapadante, Maya metan. So, try to become devotee of Krishna, to chant Hare Krishna, or think of Krishna, worship Krishna. That is Krishna Consciousness movement. Thank you very much.